Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Samsung account keeps stopping or keeps crashing problem in 2026. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Apps. Use the search bar and type Samsung account, then tap on it. Tap for stop, then confirm by tapping OK. Now tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data, just clear the cache. Now go back and tap Permissions. Make sure all required permissions are allowed, such as for camera do allow, while using the app for contacts. Make it allow for location. Make it allow while using the app, and finally for nearby devices, make it allow. Next, open the Galaxy Store. Search for Samsung account and update it if an update is available. Wait for the update to finish installing. Mine is updated. And that's it. If this helped you fix the problem, hit like, subscribe, and check out more quick Samsung fixes here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching.